In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links in Canva. Whether you're looking to direct your audience to a particular website or simply want to enhance interactivity in your designs, adding clickable elements is a skill that can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive right in. First, upon opening Canva, you'll want to navigate to your design. Once you're in your design workspace, take a moment to select the text, image, or icon that you intend to make clickable. This initial step is crucial as it determines where your audience will be able to click and access the link. Selecting the right element ensures that your design remains user-friendly and effective. With your desired element highlighted, direct your attention towards the top right corner of your Canva interface, where you'll find an icon represented by 3 dots. When you click on these dots, it opens up a world of additional options for you to enhance or manipulate the selected element. It's almost like uncovering a hidden toolbox full of possibilities. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to locate the link option and select it. This is the step where the magic really happens. By clicking on Link, you anchor the hyperlink to your chosen text, icon, or image. At this point, a field will appear, prompting you to enter a URL. Here, go ahead and paste the link you wish to feature. It's important to double-check that this URL is correct and fully functional before you proceed, especially if the design will be distributed widely. Double-checking ensures your audience can reach their intended destination without any hassle. If your project requires linking to different pages within the same Canva document rather than an external site, you're in luck. In the link field, you'll notice an option that allows you to link directly to another page in your document. This is particularly useful for crafting interactive presentations or when designing multi-page documents such as ebooks or reports. Once you're satisfied with your selection, having either pasted an external URL or linked to an internal page, the final step is to simply click Done. This simple yet satisfying action completes the process, officially confirming that your chosen element now contains an interactive link. It's always highly recommended to preview your design at this stage to witness the clickable feature in action and ensure everything functions smoothly. There you have it, a straightforward and effective way to add clickable links to your Canva projects, which can significantly boost viewer interaction and engagement. So, next time you're working on a design, keep these steps in mind and effortlessly make your presentations, reports, and social media images more interactive. Thanks for watching and happy designing!